Guys, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to teach you the continuation of gravitation. Here now I am going to teach you the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration produced in a body due to gravitational force of attraction is called acceleration due to gravity. It is also denoted as small g. It is a constant for a given place. It varies from place to place. The force with which body attracts towards center of planet is called weight of body. W is equal to mg. If m mass of planet and small m is mass of body, and then you can write gmm by r square is equal to mg. Here according to this formula, w we can write as gmm by r square is equal to mg. M get cancelled and we get small g as gm by r square. Here g does not depend upon mass of body which falls down, and g depends upon mass of planet and radius of planet. Factors affecting g. G is here small g is equal to acceleration due to gravity on surface, and next gn is equal to acceleration due to gravity at a height h. Gh actually it is gh, okay, don't think as gn, it is gh. Acceleration due to gravity at a height h from the surface of planet. Here is a object, here is a center of, here is mass of planet, here is mass of an body, and the distance between the surface of this planet and the mass is h, and we can write as gh. Gmm by r square is equal to mg. Therefore g is equal to gm by r square. Gmm by, we can write here radius plus height, we can write the distance here from the planet, from the body to the surface of planet is h, and the inside up to this we can write as r, so we can write r plus h is equal to mgh. Therefore we can write get cancelled, and therefore we can write gh is equal to gm by r plus n whole square. Therefore gh is equal to gm by r square. Here if we take r square common, then we get this, and then we get gh is equal to gm by r square into 1 plus h by r whole power minus 2, and we get this, and we take gm by r square common. Here we take r square common, we know that gm by r square is equal to g, then we write g into 1 plus h by r whole power minus 2. Here there is a formula 1 plus h by r whole power, and we can write as 1 plus nx plus, there are many numbers after that, 1 plus n plus x and n, so many are there, so we can, these are very small, so we can neglect them, and we can write only 1 plus nx. We can take h by r as x, then we can write as 1 g into 1 minus 2 h by r. Here gh, this value is gh for small values of h, for very small values of h, so I indicated two less than symbols. Change in acceleration due to gravity. Change in acceleration due to gravity, we can write it as delta g. Delta g is equal to g minus gh. We know that gh is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. We substitute, and if we multiply g to this, we get g minus g plus g into 2h by r. G get cancelled, and we get delta y is equal to g into 2h by r. This, if we transpose this g to this side, then we can write delta g by g is equal to h by r. That is the fractional change here. Then factors affecting g. Variation of g with depth d. Here m is equal to mass of planet and r is equal to radius of planet. Here m dash is equal to mass of planet in a sphere of radius r minus d. Rho is equal to density of planet, and d is equal to depth of planet. And g m dash by m by r minus d square is equal to mgd. We know that formula, and if we substitute get cancelled, and m dash value we know already 4 by 3 pi r rho. Here r is r minus d, r cube rho, r is r minus d. We can write it as g into 4 by 3 pi r minus d cube into rho into m by r minus d square. Here r minus d square, and here we can write as, here this can cancel and this get cancelled, here 1 b, so m get cancelled, and then there G depth can be written as G 4 by here it is not 4 by pi, 4 by 3 actually. I have written wrong, sorry, I will correct. Here G into 4 by 3 into pi into r minus d rho. Okay, and then G is equal to Gm by r square, therefore we get G is equal to, we can write Gm by r, m we know 4 by 3 pi r cube rho, we will substitute here, then we get G is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r rho. Here GD is, we know GD is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus d rho. If here r minus d, if we take here we get GD is equal to, we know GD is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus d rho. Here if we take r common, we get 4 by 3 pi g r rho into 1 minus d r. Here we know that G is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r rho. If here is the same value, so we get G here, therefore GD is equal to G into 1 minus d r. Then we get this equation. Okay guys, that's all for today. I will explain the continuation of gravitation in next video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below, and please subscribe and click the bell icon so you will not miss any of my videos, and if you not watch the other parts, click the link in the description and watch